This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device meets basic requirements. Check Android version and free storage because updates fail when space is low. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi so downloads won't stall. Make sure Play Store and device date/time are correct. Wrong time breaks certificates. If you plan to sideload an APK, enable install from unknown sources temporarily and only for a trusted app. This prevents permission errors later. Now proceed to refresh and clear cache for the Play Store. You now perform the heavier actions. Go to Settings, Apps, find Google Play Store and Google Play Services, clear cache first, then Storage for the store, clear cache for Play Services. Once completed, force stop both apps to drop hung processes, and then reboot the device to relaunch services cleanly. If automatic update still fails, download the matching Play Services APK for your architecture and install it. Make sure the version matches your Android release, because mismatched builds can crash apps. You finish by opening Play Store, checking My Apps and Games, and installing pending updates so dependent apps get compatible libraries. If you still see errors, sign out of your Google account, reboot, and sign back in to re-establish sync tokens. Make sure to reset app preferences if permissions or disabled apps block services. This preserves data. If none of this works, backup data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Try the reset only after exhausting these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.